Lock ko muna. Oops. Kaya. Okay. Hi, good day everyone. This is Vin. Welcome po sa NCR Rizal Properties. Ayusin ko lang ha. Alright. We're here in Marikina. So malapit tayo sa Sports Center. Okay? So familiar na kayo dyan. Sports Center. Or City Hall ng Marikina. Diba? Kutin ko lang ha. Alright. So nakita niyo naman kanina, good for 2 parking space yan. Hindi lang nakasagad yung sasakyan na nandito eh. Okay. So dito yung ating magiging secondary kitchen. Sensya na kayo at medyo hindi pa full construction eh, or hindi pa naka 100%. Right? So dito yung ating maid's quarter. Yung maid's quarter natin, meron po siyang private bathroom area. Okay? So maganda, maluwag naman. Kahit yung space ng kanyang kwarto, maganda po. Yan, may built-in cabinet na rin. Then, dito yung ating main kitchen po. Okay? So, ito yung ating main kitchen. Ito yung naka-open concept siya. Kung mapapansin nyo. Right? So, yun, yung main entry kung saan ako pumasok kanina, di ba? So, living, dining, and nandito yung ating kitchen area. Right? Then, ito pong nakasaradong pintuan na to, wala lang po yung susi eh. Yan po is a pantry. Okay? So, pantry area po yan. Then, dito, meron tayo ditong powder room ba? Okay. So, powder room. So, wala pang ilaw, kaya medyo madilim pa. Pero nandun sa may mirror, meron naman. Right? So, ito yung powder room natin. Very elegant, the powder room. Okay? So, tara, akit tayo ng second floor. Yung price, lot area, floor area, sorry. Price, lot area, floor area, sasama ko na lang po sa description, okay? Pakisuyo na lang po, pakicheck na lang po sa description area, alright? Right po. Tara. So, pag-akit mo sa second floor, hindi naman siya yung tipong dikit-dikit. Pag-akit mo, kwarto dito, kwarto dyan, pinto dito, pinto dyan. So, ito siya, meron siyang family area. Alright? Alam niyo yung ganda ng location nito. So, ito yung space ng first bedroom. So, may built-in cabinet na yan. Space ng second bedroom natin. Ito, mas malaki to. And, ito yung built-in cabinet niya. Okay, hindi na ako pupunta sa dulo-dulo ha. So again, ito yung kanyang family area. Right? Then, para dito sa dalawang bedrooms, meron po tayong common toilet and bath na naka shower enclosure na rin. Right? Then, last part na papasukin natin is yung ating master's bedroom with walk-in closet, toilet and bath, and a balcony. So, pakita ko sa inyo. So, ito yung space ng ating master's bedroom. Right? Ito yung kanyang walk-in closet and full toilet and bath po. Okay? So, bukod sa property, ang maganda rito, maganda naman talaga yung property, and isa pa talaga is yung kanyang location. So, again, malapit po tayo sa Sports Center. Right? Marikina City Hall, yan. Highly recommended to. If yung mga anak ninyo is nag-aaral ng, especially Ateneo, anong katipunan, Miriam, di ba, or UP. Okay? Napakagandang option po nito. Kaya lang, since prime location, alam nyo na, pricey talaga po. Medyo pricey po talaga. Okay? So, sana intindihan po natin yan, no? Right? So, Ayun lang. Again, ipopost ko na lang yung full details. Paki-check nyo na lang po sa description area, ha? Alright, so yan. Again, my name is Vin of NC Arizal Properties. Thank you for watching po. God bless everyone. Bye-bye.